What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the LDNIO USB charger. It also comes with a 2600 milliamp power bank on the go. I mean, you heard me right, literally you heard me right. So let me show you from the back. This is a LDNIO A6802 Box Magical with a mild power bank. Let me open it and then do my unboxing and my review. Okay, here we go. It's already open. The safety is number one priority. As you know, the safety is the number one priority. Okay, here we finally go. Okay, here I take out. Okay, come on. Wow, it comes with a UK adapter. I'm literally very much happy. It doesn't really matter how happy I get when I saw a when I saw a UK adapter. I'm in Hong Kong, we use the UK adapter. Okay, here we go. Where's the power bank? Wow, it have a built-in power bank. I'm amazed. Jimmy Geek is amazing, guys, isn't it? Okay, let me close the box, put aside. So here it is. I'm gonna buy like one more, to be honest with you. Literally one more. I just love it, to be honest with you. I mean, this thing is the next level, to be honest with you. This thing is so awesome that I could not, tell you how awesome this thing is, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, literally, you don't know how awesome this thing is. I mean, wow. Okay. Let me take this one out. Okay. Let me just keep inside. Okay, let me just plug in. And then let me show you. It total is the 40 watt. Okay, now let me plug in. Here it is. As you can see, the power bank is charging, but the moment of the truth is that will it work with my phone? Okay, here we go. And then let me plug in my phone. Okay, it's charging. This is a must buy, to be honest with you. This is a must buy. What about the power bank? For example, I wanna go. Okay, here we go. And now I'm traveling somewhere. I just took the power bank with me. Maybe I'm late. It's charging or not? Okay, it's charging. This is an amazing thing, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, this is a must buy. Literally, you heard me right. This is a must buy. For example, your phone is not charged, you are, in a hurry, you wanna leave hurry. This is a must buy, to be honest with you. And it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.